everyone, welcome back to the channel, and today I'll be telling you how you can enable microphone on any iPhone. So what you need to do is go to the settings, and after going to the settings, scroll down and go to the privacy and security settings here. And after going to the privacy and security setting, you need to scroll down here, and there's a microphone option here. Just tap on the microphone option, and it will display the microphone usage on different apps which you have installed in your phone. Okay, all the apps which are using your microphone will be displayed over here. You can turn it off and turn it on from here, which will be using your microphone of your iPhone. So like for if you are not seeing any app which you want to use your microphone is not displayed over here, what you need to do here is just go to that app, and you can tap over here and delete or remove that app. And you need to go to the app store and re-download that app. Once you re-download that app, and for the first time when you are accessing that app, it will ask you for the permission to access the microphone. You need to enable that microphone settings for the very first time once you have downloaded that app. If any app that you couldn't see over here, you need to re-download that app, and then after that you can access. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you have liked the video, it will literally make me more motivation, and I'll try to make better videos in a future. Thank you very much.